Dancing pet videos are blowing up on social media right now. Pets doing today's hottest dances in a bathroom, in front of a landmark, or anywhere. Could be any animal, any dance, any place. Here's exactly how to make one. Let's begin with AI Century site. Open GPT library. In the search bar, type dancing pet and click Start Chat. It opens with 4 options. We're going to start with Choose Pet, so click it. It gives you a list of pets to pick from. Type the number you want. I'll type 2 for Corgi. It writes back a character lock prompt. Same breed and pose, standing upright on a plain white background, so copy it. And head to OpenArt, click Create Image, and switch the model to Nano Banana Pro. Paste the prompt in, set the ratio to 9:16, then resolution to 2K, and the count to 4, then click Generate. You get 4 clean references of the same Corgi, standing upright on white. Moving on, pick your favorite and upload it back into the Dancing Pet chat. It moves into Stage 2, Placement, and asks you to choose a real place. I typed in front of the Eiffel Tower. It writes a new prompt. Same Corgi, the Eiffel Tower behind it, a green bench and a litter bin in the background. Copy it. And back in OpenArt, head to Create Image again. Paste in the placement prompt, attach the white reference photo you generated earlier. Keep the same settings and generate. You get the Corgi standing in front of the Eiffel Tower. Photo real. Next step, upload that placement image back into the chat and it starts Stage 3, Animation. It asks if you have a dance clip to copy the moves from. We'll cover Route A in a bit, so if you don't have one, type No, Route B. It writes a simple 4-beat dance prompt straight off the still. Settle, swing, peak, and back to the start, so the clip loops clean. Copy it. Go to OpenArt, click Video, then switch to Frame to Video. Set the model to Seedance 2.0 and set the Eiffel Tower photo as the start frame. Paste in the dance prompt. Set the ratio to 9:16, the resolution to 1080p, and the duration to 10 seconds. Then generate. You get a 10-second clip, the Corgi swaying and bouncing in place in front of the Eiffel Tower, natural handheld camera movement, sound on. For Route A, if you do have a dance clip you want it to copy, go back to the same chat and type Route A instead. Attach your dance video and send it. It builds a different prompt this time. The Corgi and the scene stay locked, and your clip supplies the movement, beat for beat. Copy it. Back in OpenArt, click Video, but this time, pick Motion Sync. Set the model to Dream Actor M2.0. Choose the Eiffel Tower photo as your subject, upload your dance clip as the motion reference, and paste in the prompt, then generate. That gives you the same Corgi, doing your exact dance, in front of the Eiffel Tower. That's how you turn one photo of your pet into a dancing video, in any location you want. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.